Come on, come on. Okay. Taboo Garden. Everybody just bear with us tonight with the rain. We're doing a lot of dancing up here, so it's a slip and slide. Take me out of the house, friends. Okay, we're gonna start the show back up and we're gonna see how this goes in the rain, okay? I'd like you to give a big round of applause for my amazing dancers.
I love you, Gaga! Stephanie, we love you!
Mother Mayhem! Welcome to the Opera House. This is
Lady Gaga stops the show amid her dancer falling as the rain was raining. The floor was slippery. She just stopped the performance to care about her dancer who fell. Lady Gaga had to stop the show in Sydney because her dancer Michael slipped and fell off the stage due to the rain. She is recently taking a short break to allow her dance crew to find shoes with better gaps. The show should resume soon, so definitely we get to see what happened. He fell due to the rain, the floor was so slippery, but then Lady Gaga stopped the show. This was so amazing. Is Mike okay? He's okay. In Australia the weather is warm now, so I could imagine this concert is outside. The Queen is definitely caring.